page. Go on that side. Come from that angle. Yeah, like that, like that.
So that's the sensor right there. Sits right above this big round thing. I don't know what that is exactly.
Can you go in there?
What? Seems like it. Let's see. I think it did.
Yeah.
Yep, it's in there. Yep, so basically he just brought it in from the top.
Come on, angle.
More of an angle.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the last thing we have to do is hook the wire back up to it, which is this wire right here. It's gonna look like that on the inside.
Well, they know the one they took off.
Yeah, if you can remember taking
It's the same. It's the same. It's the only wire loose.
Right. Okay. And you just snap it back on. Boom.
Yep.
That is the replacement. Now we're gonna test it out to make sure our car is not gonna overheat again. So pure annoyance. It's really annoying when your car overheats, and it's this one little tiny sensor that's gonna make your whole car go crazy. And right now, antifreeze is like $25. So who has $25 to spend on like all that antifreeze? Like, all you have to do is change that one sensor. Hopefully this video was helpful, informative, and that was the last test, just to turn it on.